Good morning everyone. Welcome to Eklavya online classes. In last class we discussed reading portion of the chapter. Now today we discuss word files and question answers. Okay. So everyone open your notebook, start writing word files. First is cent. Cent is what? A small unit of money. A small unit of money worth 1/100th of a dollar. 1/100th of a dollar. Second is bulldozing. Second is bulldozing. It's forcing. Forcing. Next is imputation. Imputation is what? Suggest in an accusing way. Suggest in an accusing way. Parsimony. Parsimony. Parsimony is extreme unwillingness. Extreme unwillingness to spend money. Extreme unwillingness to spend money. Fifth is translate. Translate, to change from one state to another. One state to another. One state to another. Sixth is sterling, genuine. Sterling is genuine. Next is air shaft. An open space. An open space. Air shaft is an open space surrounded by the walls of a building. Surrounded by the walls of a building to provide ventilation. To provide ventilation. To provide ventilation. To provide ventilation. Next, say it is after air shaft, depreciate. Depreciate is to undervalue. To undervalue. Ninth is janitor. Custodian. Custodian. 10th is rippling. 10th is rippling, moving in small waves. Moving in small waves. Moving in small waves. Cascade, waterfall. Cascade is waterfall. Whirl, move rapidly. Move rapidly. Round and round. Move rapidly, 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 round and round. Next is fluttered. Fluttered, moved with quick wavering motion. moved with quick wavering motion, moved with quick wavering motion. Next is panting, breathing with short, with the short. 15th is ransacking. Sacking is searching thoroughly. Ransacking is searching thoroughly. Searching thoroughly. Fob is a chain attached to a watch for carrying in a waistcoat or a waistband pocket or a waistband pocket. Next, next is chest. Chest is without unnecessary ornamentation. Without unnecessary ornamentation. 18th is intoxication. Intoxication, excitement. Intoxication is excitement. 19th is prudence. Prudence is skill and good judgment. Skill and good judgment in the use of resources. In the use of resources. In the use of resources. Ravages, heavy damage. Ravages, heavy damage. Truant is one who strays away, one who stays away from school. From school. One who strays away from school. Next, 22 is fixedly. Fixedly without moving. Fixedly without moving. Without moving. Next is peculiar, strange. Strange. 24th is laboriously. Laboriously is with much exertion and effort. With much exertion and effort. With much exertion and effort. Next is nimble. Quick and light in movement. Quick and light in movement. Quick and light in movement. 26. Ecstatic, feeling and expressing. Feeling and expressing joyful excitement. Joyful excitement. Joyful excitement. joyful, excitement. Next, next 27, highest trickle is wildly uncontrolled, wildly uncontrolled, wildly uncontrolled. Next is craved, longed for, craved is longed for. 29 is traces. This chapter has so many word files, so you all learn for your January exam, okay? Chapter number 2, poem, and 3rd. Is that clear? Everyone prepare for exam. These 3 chapters come in exam. So learn all word files properly. Adorned is beautified, coveted, it's greatly desired or invite, greatly desired or invite. Adornments is something that adorns, something that adorns. Next, after adornment, signed. Signed is burnt. Ardent is passionate. Ardent is passionate. Next is dandy. Is an excellent thing of its kind. An excellent thing of its kind. Next, tumbled. Tumbled is fell suddenly. Tumbled is fell suddenly. And the last is uneventful chronicle. Uneventful chronicle. Uneventful chronicle is a fictitious. Clear? So these are your 37 word files. Okay? Now, next we discuss our question answers. So, complete these word files first. We discuss our orally questions first. Now, question number 1, orally. Question number A, it's 1, is why did Della cry on Christmas Eve? Question number 1 is why did Della cry on Christmas Eve? Christmas Eve. Answer is Della cried on Christmas Eve because she had very little money to translate her dreams into action, and she did not know what to do. Second is, what was the amount that Della had saved to buy Jim a gift? Answer second is, Della had saved only cent 1.87 to buy gift for Jim. Third question is, describe what Della looked like after the haircut. So third is, Della looked like a truant schoolboy after the haircut. Fourth question is, how did Della react when she heard Jim's steps on the stairs, and what did she whisper? Della was anxious and a little afraid when she heard Jim's steps on the stairs. She whispered a prayer. Please God, make him think I am still pretty. Question 4. Now, last question is question number 5, orally. Question number 5. Why did the author call it as an uneventful chronicle? 5 is, the author called it an uneventful chronicle because it was about very ordinary people and did not involve famous people did not involve famous people or great adventures or great adventures. Clear? So here your orally question answers completed. Okay, now next question B, C and remaining questions we do in next class. Okay, so everyone start learning word files and question answers of second, third and poem chapter. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. Today's class over.